Okay, Yotam, please help us with this equation. So let's begin with 3x. And now we need to do what?
Minus the opposite of x.
But we don't have the opposite of x here, so let's add a pair of opposites, and then we could remove the opposite of x plus 4. All of that is equal to what?
2 the opposite of x plus 10.
Okay, so now that you have the equation set up, do you see any legal moves we can perform to simplify the problem? Tell me what you want to do.
Change this into a 0 and change this into a 6.
You could take away 4 constant from each side. Good. Now, if the goal is to isolate this cube, what's in our way? The 4 blue pawns or the 2 white pawns?
The 2.
How do you have a legal way to remove them? You can add a pair of opposites to the opposite side, and they can remove 1. You could do it again, and do it again. So how much is each x?
1.
1. Let's bring it down. Here's the pen. X is equal to 1. And therefore star is the opposite of x is a -1. Okay, would you set up the original problem one more time in order to do the check? Okay, I don't think it's set up yet. Is it set up now?
Yep.
Okay, help me to evaluate. How much is this side? And how much is this side?
8.
So write that in the check. 8 equals 8. Okay, Yotam, very good.